Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Alanis. For those of you who don't know me, hi. So for today's video, I wanted to create this very pink tone kind of eyeshadow look for, you know, Valentine's is around the corner. So yeah, I wanted to play with color and create a very kind of holographic, and I really like how it turned out. I think the eyeshadow looks super cute. So if you want to learn how to recreate this makeup look, just keep on watching, guys. So I already did my brows and I did my foundation off camera, and for today's eyeshadow look, I'm gonna be using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I still haven't gotten the chance to get my James Charles palette, which I really want to get, but you know, it's been sold out because that one has some really cool shades, and I've seen a lot of videos of how pigmented the palette is, so I really want to try it out. But the BH Cosmetics palette is the only thing that I have for now, so I'm actually going to go in with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to take that orange color and I'm going to use that as my transition. So now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M167 brush, and I'm going to use those two pink shades in the palette and start patting that onto my crease. So now I'm going back in with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to take more of that orange shade and start blending it out. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is cut my crease. Cutting my crease sometimes can be very tricky. Sometimes it's a mess, sometimes it's nice to me. It really depends on the day. Alright you guys, so now the brush that I'm going to use to cut my crease is going to be the M224 brush. So it looks like this. I flattened it. I made it flat, okay? I can't speak. So it's easier to cut the crease. And I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer to cut my crease. Oh my god, I'm so out of like the frame. I'm so sorry, guys. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush and just blend out those hard lines of me cutting my crease. Now I'm going to go in with my Stila glitter shadow in the shade Sea Siren, and I'm gonna apply that glitter onto where I cut my crease. Wow, how pretty does that shade look? Alright, so now with that Morphe M506 tiny little blending brush, I'm going to take some of those pink shades and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to start blending that into my crease. Wow, I really like how this eye makeup turned out. I think it looks so pretty. I love how this glitter has like bluish, purplish reflex tones in it. I think it makes it so pretty. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my other eye really quick, and I'll be back to finish the rest of my face and my lips. Alright you guys, so I just finished my other eye, Now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face, and for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use my L'Oreal Full Wear Infallible Concealer, and I use shade 365. Create some lines right underneath, just like this. This is probably like the 4th time that I use this concealer, and I really like how it makes my under eyes look. So honestly, so far I can tell you guys that I actually like this concealer. I think it looks really pretty. And I'm just gonna go back in with my beauty blender, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of the Mario Badescu spray. And this is the cucumber and green tea spray. And this one smells really nice. So I'm just gonna start blending out my concealer. Alright you guys, so I just blended out my concealer, and now I'm gonna go and set my concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm just gonna grab that same beauty blender that I was using, and I'm gonna start patting this powder underneath my eyes. This is where my makeup creases the most, and like right here, so I always like to make sure that it's nice and set, so my concealer and my foundation won't crease throughout the day, because we don't want that. We want our foundation to be nice and flawless all day long. And now to contour and bronze up my skin, I'm gonna use this Tarte palette that I received in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. And this it has really pretty shades, so I really wanted to use it for today's look. To bronze up my skin, I'm going to use this Morphe M527 brush. It's just this really big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to use the shade Angle to bronze up my skin. Gotta look nice and bronzed up. And now to contour my my face, I'm gonna use the Morphe M437 brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade. I'm gonna go in with the shade Princess Cut. And now to contour my nose, I'm gonna use my Morphe E13 brush. It's very nice looking flat kind of brush, but it's also fluffy, so it's nice to blend out that contour. And I'm just gonna go again with that same shade, Princess Cut. I'm gonna take my same Laura Mercier translucent powder to define my cheeks, clean up, you know, a little bit of that contour and bronzing. For blush now, I want to keep that whole really pink vibes, tones going. So for my blush, I'm going to use the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade palette. And I'm going to mix the shades Hidden Secret and Enchantment. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to move on to my under eyes, and I'm going to go back with my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use this tiny little Morphe M431 brush, and I'm going to go in with that orange shade and just pretty much do everything that I did on my lid right underneath. So start off with that orange shade. for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, I'm going to use my Morphe E36 brush, which is this very tiny little detail brush. And I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Holographic palette. Can you guys see it? So pretty. And I'm going to use the shade Ultraviolet, which is this pretty purple shade right here. And I should probably mix this pink opal, because I really like how it looks. These two shades, oh, that looks so pretty together. Alright, so I'm going to use those two shades for my highlight. Let me zoom you in. So what do you guys think? I think it looks so pretty. And also the brow bone highlight, wow. So just quickly with that same Morphe M441 brush that I was using earlier, I'm just gonna lightly blend that out. Make sure that brow bone highlight blends into my crease so it doesn't look very harsh. So now I'm just gonna brush off all the Laura Mercier translucent powder on my face with the Luxie 522 brush. So I just want to lightly get rid of all that powder. Now to highlight my cheekbones, I'm going to use my Dose of Colors Fuego highlight by Katie and Desi. And I'm just going to lightly put that right on the top of my cheekbones. So I'm gonna curl my lashes, put mascara on, and put some lashes on. For lashes, I'm gonna use these e.l.f. lashes. e.l.f. lashes that I found at Target. They are the Luxe Lash. Yeah, they are the Luxe Lash Kit, and they are in the style Starstruck. But anyways, let me curl my lashes, put mascara on, put my lashes on, and then I'll be back to apply my lip color.
The next morning, the guard returned to Ted's cell and found his food uneaten. He looked over and Bundy appeared to be in his cot, asleep. But as he entered the cell and pulled back the covers, he finds nothing but a pile of books where Ted should have been. There was no Bundy.
New Year's Eve, 1977.
Oh my god, so I am watching a show while I do my makeup, you know, so this process can go by a little bit faster. But I get really distracted like you just saw, and I'm watching currently the Confessions with a Killer, the Ted Bundy tapes, and oh my god, he escaped a second time. I really want to do a video on like my top 10 Netflix shows, just because I feel like I've watched so many things on Netflix. So if you want me to make a video talking about my favorite Netflix shows and things that I would recommend, just comment down below, let me know, because I would be so down to do a video like that of shows that I would recommend. So yeah guys, just let me know. Alright you guys, so I just applied my lashes. I added a little bit of a black eyeliner to my waterline, and now I just gotta set my face and put some lipstick, and we're done for today. So I'm actually gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And I've mentioned this before, but literally these two together are the best combination ever. So I always spray this first, and then right after I like to go in with my Morphe setting spray, and oh my god, literally it makes you look Facetune in real life. Alright you guys, so that completes today's makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any video suggestions or anything that you would like me to film or talk about in my channel, just let me know in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching.